Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. Once you are at the home page, tap your profile icon at the top left. And on your profile page, tap Settings. Here, scroll all the way down and tap Log Out. Tap Log Out again to confirm. And that's how you log out of Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.